So Willy Woo was a shy witch girl. She used to feel hesitate when talking to someone strange or unknown. Like there are some students in class who used to feel shy while talking to any new admission or new child, or some if some guest arrives at your home, or you go out to somebody's home, then you feel shy. So like that, witch girl was also, Willy Woo was also feeling shy. Then what did that willow tree said? The willow tree said softly, "It's up to you, Willy Woo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon." So Willow Tree suggested to Willy Woo that it is something you must do. It like you have to decide whether you want to go to the moon. If you want to go to the moon, then you have to do it soon. "All right, I'll try," said Willy Woo. She ran all the way to the well. "Dear well, I am Willy Woo. Please send some water to Willow Tree." Willy Woo requested the well to send water to Willow Tree. Why? Because Willow Tree, if Willow Tree will get the water, then he will give her branches, and if she'll get the branches, then she'll take the branches to witch broom maker, and he will make a broom for her, and she could go to attend the party on the moon. So, moaned the well. "I wish I could. A storm rolled a huge stone on top of me. I can't send water to anybody. If you roll the stone off me, I'll send water to the tree." Now, as you can see, this is a well, and a big stone is lying on the top of its mouth. So, why so? The well told to Willy Woo that a strong storm rolled the stones. So due to the strong storm, this heavy stone rolled up on my top, and I'm not able to send water. So if you turn off this stone, or if you remove the stone, then I can send water to Willow Tree. "That's easy," said Willy Woo. Willy Woo thought that it's a simple task. We can just remove the stone, and the well send the water to tree. She began to push the stone, but it wasn't as easy as it seems, because that stone was quite heavy. But the stone was too heavy. Willy Woo tried to cast a spell on the stone. As Willy Woo was a witch girl, so she tried to spell a magic over stone so that it can remove. "Witch's spell and witch's brew. Here's a spell from little Willy Woo. Stone, move off the well, will you?" So this was the spell of witch girl of Willy Woo. Nothing happened. Willy Woo began to cry. When after even spelling the magic over stone, nothing happened. Willy Woo began to cry. Her tears fell on the stone. The stone felt sorry for her. The stone felt very upset, very bad for Willy Woo. "Willy Woo," he said, "spells never do any magic. Only friends can." Spell doesn't or do any magic, but friends can. "Friends? What is that?" cried Willy Woo. "A friend is someone who helps you," he explained. Right? A friend is someone who helps us. Like in class, you take help of each other while borrowing any stationery, or sharing the notebook or book. When you don't bring a book in class, then you share it with your friend, right? So it means friends helps. Friend always help. Go to the thatch house. Thatch house is a house which is made up of straw and hay, or you can say kacha house. Okay. On the top of the hill, you will meet Valerie. Ask her to help you. "Oh no, I don't know her. How can I ask her to help me?" cried Willy Woo. So As before, Willy Woo was shy in talking to willow tree, and she was also shy to talk to well. Likewise, she is also shy to go to Valerie to ask her for help. Oh no, I don't know her. She said, I don't know her. How can I take help from her? The stone sang, it's up to you, Willy Woo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. The same song as the willow tree, as the well, as the witch broom maker motivated Willy Woo, that it is up to you means it's up to Willy Woo. It's up to us that we have to decide whether we want to achieve our goal or not. And if we want to achieve, suppose if you want to stood first in class, if you want to come gain highest marks, then what you have to do, you have to study hard. Okay, while even in the lockdown or if the schools are off, still as you are receiving the work or study material, you have to study that. Okay, so that if when the school will reopens, you can clear all the exam and test. All right, said Willy Woo. She ran to the Valerie house. All right, said Willy Woo. She ran to Valerie's house. When she got there, she said, hello, I am Willy Woo. Please help me roll the stone off the well. So she asked help from Valerie. Sure, said Valerie. Can I bring my friends too? She asked that Valerie asked now from Willy Woo that can I bring my friends? Certainly, said Willy Woo. Will they help us push the stone? क्या वो हमारी help करेंगी? Will they help us in removing the stones? Of course, said Valerie. Friends always help. Soon 7 children followed the little witch girl as she ran down the hill. It took all of them to push the stone off the well, as the stone was too heavy and the kids were small. So it takes their all force to remove the stone off. Immediately the well gurgled and sent big water waves to the willow tree. The tree soaked the water and gave the children the best branches. The witch broom maker sat down to make the longest broom ever. Soon a lovely song broom was ready. Willy Woo was very happy. Okay, so as soon as the well sent the water to willow tree grow the branches. It gives the branches to Willy Woo. Then Willy Woo passed that branches to witch broom maker. Witch broom maker have made a longest broom for Willy Woo, and Willy Woo was very happy. She invited her new friend and the witch broom maker to the moon. She invited, now she has become friends with Valerie and her another friend and that witch broom maker. So she invited them to the for the party on the moon. They were very eager to party on the moon. They were all happy. So off they flew. So they flew off for the party. That's all about this chapter. I hope it is clear to you. If there is any doubt, then let me know. Thank you.